Okay, so now we know about C. Now let's see how we can run the C and compile C, where we can write our programs. First, we should understand what is IDE. IDE basically is an integrated development environment, and which allows us, like it's like a notepad, but it is integrated, and it can have like compiler on it, and we can just write our code and compile it so that the computer will understand our code in binary, which is zero, represented as 0 and 1s. So that's basically the concept of compiling, which means that we compile our code to binary and then the computer will understand it in that way. Okay guys, for downloading the IDE, we need to go to, 1 second, let me check my internet connection. So for installing the IDE, first of all, we can use VS Code, Visual Studio Community, that's fine. I'm gonna use Code Blocks because it is so simple and straightforward. I'm gonna leave the link of the download in the description below. We need to go here. There is my website, and then you can follow the instructions here. There is a link here which you can click, and from the official site you can download and install Code Blocks, and it compiles it. Don't need to do anything else. So just click next here and install. Give it a time to be installed, like a few seconds. Looks like it takes more than a few seconds, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, but it's okay. We can just hit yes. We can directly go to the code blocks. It's okay. Then next. Okay guys, here we have to create a new project, which is with console application. And first of all, we're gonna start with C. Maybe later we're gonna hopefully move on with C++ as well. You can just give it a name, doesn't really matter. Like, then here we go. Here we have our first program, which is hello world. I'm gonna explain you guys what does this mean from the top to this part, everything. Just gonna hit the build and run, make sure everything works. As you can see, everything works perfectly. We can see the hello world here. Okay, this was it for this video. I'm gonna teach you guys more stuff. Hopefully see you on next one.